In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious Eclair cake recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need graham crackers, 2 boxes of vanilla pudding, 3½ cups of milk, 1 box of whipped cream, and 1 box of chocolate frosting. In a bowl, we're going to add in both boxes of our vanilla pudding. Slowly pour in the milk while whisking to make sure that there's no clumps. Once our pudding has formed, we're going to slowly add in the whipped cream. Line the bottom of a rectangular pan with the graham crackers. Scoop the pudding and whipped cream mixture into the pan over the graham crackers and spread out evenly. Add another layer of graham crackers. Add another layer of the vanilla pudding and whipped cream mixture on top of the graham crackers. Add one last layer of graham crackers on top of the pudding and whipped cream mixture. We're going to melt the chocolate frosting in the microwave for 40 seconds. Once melted, we're going to pour this mixture over top of the graham crackers. Make sure to spread out evenly. Place this in the fridge overnight. Our Eclair cake is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.